In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage essential settings on Booksy.com, specifically focusing on updating your business details and working hours. Booksy is a fantastic platform for managing your business appointments efficiently. It's vital to ensure your business details and hours are up to date, so clients and customers have the best possible experience. First, let's get started by heading over to Booksy Biz. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that's designed to help you manage your business with ease. Booksy Biz acts as your control center, allowing you to handle all aspects of your business operations, including managing bookings, client communications, and settings. Now locate and click on the Business Settings option. This is where you'll find various settings that help define how your business operates within the Booksy platform. Proper configuration in this area ensures that your business runs smoothly and accommodates both your needs and those of your customers. The next step is to click on Business Details. In this section, you're going to make sure that all the information about your business is accurate and up to date. This includes the business name, address, contact details, and any other relevant information that clients might need. Keeping this information current is crucial for avoiding any confusion and ensuring clients can easily reach out when necessary. After that, find and select the Business Hours option. Your business hours let your clients know when you're available for appointments and services. It's important to set them correctly so clients have realistic expectations about your availability, which helps in scheduling appointments without any hassle. Now it's time to actually set your business hours. Enter your opening and closing times for each day that your business is operational. This helps in streamlining bookings and ensures clients can schedule appointments at their convenience. It also prevents double bookings and any potential scheduling conflicts. Once you've entered all the necessary information, make sure to click on the Save button. This action will ensure that all your changes are securely stored in the Booksy system, preventing any loss of data or mistaken bookings due to outdated hour settings. Finally, ensure everything is updated correctly by clicking the Update option. This step is critical for confirming that all the new settings are active and visible to clients. Regularly checking your settings and making necessary updates is a great habit to cultivate as it enhances customer satisfaction and keeps your business running efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your business details and operational hours on Booksy.com. Regularly revisiting these settings is a good practice to ensure everything aligns with your current business operations. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you in managing your business more effectively on Booksy.